A day in my life with my sister. Today was a little adventure with my sister, her friend, and my partner. We all went on an ocular visit in Marigold in Lapu-Lapu for my sister's upcoming Christmas party. The place is huge, calm, and honestly, the vibes were giving. After checking out the venue, my sister suddenly said she was craving her favorite assorted kakanin and hot chocolate from Balay sa Busay. So we went on the way. We passed by Sisilex, and my sister and her friends started talking about how expensive it was to build and how the toll fee for cars is around 107 pesos one. Medyo pricey pero worth it for the convenience. As we drove toward Busay, the traffic was super heavy, but we finally arrived at around 7 p.m. At the moment we stepped in, the view was breathtaking. The fresh, cool air instantly made the long drive worth it. The first thing we ordered was the assorted kakanin, fried banana, puto bongbong, palitaw, budbod, and of course, their famous hot chocolate. Legit, it was so chocolatey and so yummy. My sister and her friend were joking around and we were all enjoying the night. After the snacks, we ordered pork sinigang and sisig for dinner. Everything was delicious, cozy, perfect for the cold Busay weather. We paid around 1,600 for everything. Super worth it. It was my first time at Balay sa Busay, and honestly, it won't be the last. And that was our simple but wholesome day. Good food, good view, and good company. Bye-bye. See you on my next one.